Having accrued more than 3 decades of professional expertise as a civil, transportation, and traffic engineer, Abdullah Nadi has contributed to developing numerous projects worldwide. Specializing in construction management and business development, Mr. Nadi has excelled as the Chief Executive Officer and owner of Quest Investment Corp. Since 2016. A Virginia-based consultancy company focused on land development and construction in the United States and Afghanistan, Quest Investment Corp. Has initiated and implemented mixed-use development projects combining residential, commercial, and institutional requirements. In his role, Mr. Nadi acts as a consultant for real estate developers and engineering firms and performs feasibility studies for residential and commercial development. He also serves as a mediator for landowners and local and state governments to resolve engineering or rezoning issues. In prior years, Mr. Nadi also owned 5 restaurants. Hailing from Afghanistan, Mr. Nadi began his career in 1973 upon earning a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering from Kabul Polytechnic University. For the first 4 years of his career, he worked as a highway design engineer for the Department of Public Works of Afghanistan until 1977. Subsequently, Mr. Nadi moved to the United States, where he continued his higher education and joined the Virginia Department of Transportation, serving as a regional traffic engineering officer and senior transportation planning engineer between 1979 and 1988. During this time, he attained a Federal Highway Administration Scholarship for the Master of Science program at George Washington University and later completed courses in geometric design, hydrology, hydraulics, traffic engineering, signal design, signal timing, traffic management, and highway capacity analysis. Progressing in his career, Mr. Nadi was a partner and vice president of Design Management Group from 1988 to 1991 and a project manager for BADR Inc. from 1999 to 2001, during which time he built the Colvin Run Shopping Center in Great Falls, Virginia. Between 2001 and 2008, he served as president of the Afghan Builders Association, Afghan Aspect Energy, LDT, and AFCO International Companies. With the latter company, Mr. Nadi felt he had an opportunity to help his people in Afghanistan and registered the company following the events of September 11, 2001. He then moved to Afghanistan and planned to build a city financed by OPIC for 2 million people in Kandahar. Mr. Nadi also went on to operate as a strategic policy advisor to the chief of the logistics branch of the International Security Assistance Force, part of the Department of Defense, from 2010 to 2012. He had also been a leading expert for the Afghan Expert Group from 2010 to 2014 and a managing member of Eagle Management Group LLC from 2014 to 2016. Among his additional contributions to his line of work, Mr. Nadi was a founding member and board director of the Afghan American Chamber of Commerce in 2003 and the founder and president of the Afghan Builders Association from 2001 to 2007. Throughout his impressive career, Mr. Nadi has been involved in multiple large-scale projects in Afghanistan, including Aino Mina in Kandahar. This residential, retail, and commercial project's total development size was approximately 10,000 acres with an overall estimated value of approximately $1 billion. It included the infrastructural development of elementary and middle schools, clinics, an orphanage, and recreational parks. Notably, he was published in the New York Times for this project in 2012. Mr. Nadi also highly regards the Kabul Maskan Land Development Project, a mixed-use apartment development located in the heart of Kabul city in which 70 acres of land were planned for an apartment complex, schools, clinics, an orphanage, and a mosque, with adequate parking and a green area. Upon reflection, Mr. Nadi attributes his success to honesty and a strong will to fight corruption. His philosophy is, to be a good person, you don't need religion. He also credits the influence of his family, his mother, father, 6 sisters, and 3 brothers, who are all educated and talented within the arts.